The top 10 cricketers who own private jets. Part 1. 1. Sachin Tendulkar. Known as the god of cricket, Tendulkar is the best batsman in world cricket. Tendulkar owns a $12.7 million private jet. He currently coaches and enjoys traveling by private jet. 2. Virat Kohli. King Kohli is the best striker of the modern era and is often compared to giant Tendulkar. According to reports, his plane cost him $6.1 million. 3. Kevin Peterson. He is a former cricketer from England who batted in the top order. He was often involved in controversy. He owns a private jet worth $31 million. 4. Shane Warne. The Australian legend, who died at the age of 52 due to cardiac arrest, was the all-time greatest spinner in the history of cricket. He owned a private jet worth $20 million, and his dead body was brought on his jet to the cremation area. 5. MS Dhoni. Dhoni is considered the best captain as the team has won championships across all formats. He likes to have fun in the sky. The plane cost him $12.3 million. Stay tuned for part 2. For more luxury content, subscribe our YouTube channel, Luxury Beam.